Hello guys, let's talk today about this Airmoto smart air pump I got from Amazon. Here's the model. That's the BP198. This is just a quick unbox because right now it's raining a lot outside, so I cannot test this just right now, but I can test it later, right? But at first you can use with balls, motorcycle, mountain bike, road bike, cars, whatever you want to use, just to pump some air and also measure everything. Okay, just a quick unbox here so you can see what comes inside. So here we go. Let's just open it up, remove this protection, and here we go. You have the smart air pump user menu. As always, you have product menu, so you can check everything that you want. And here, the device itself, right? Here we go. It's very heavy, right? Not very, but it's a little bit heavy because I believe there is a battery here inside, right? I'll just remove this plastic. So here we go. Get some focus here from my camera. Here we go again. And it's pretty nice, right? So here you have the connections for everything. And of course, it should come with some accessory here. Let me just open this part from the box. And here we go, some accessories, right? That comes in the box. Oh, that's a case for the device. So let me just put it here, for example. And you have a pretty case for it, right? Nice. I like this one. Pretty good. Let me just remove it again. So here we go. And here's some accessories. This one is to connect to the charger port, right? Here we go. You can connect, let's say, for example, to balls or something like this. You have different tips here that you can connect to the device and a cable. Okay, so basically here you can do this to extend, and then you just attach it here. There you go. And here the tip, you can use whatever you want. Let's say this one, for example, or you can replace with the one if you wanna pump some air into a ball. You can use this one. There you go, right? Pretty nice. Here, power button. Let's see if it comes with charge. It does. You see? It's already charged it. And it's completely charged, as I can see here. So I have the units in PSI, or you can change to bars, things like that, right? But I'm gonna check that with you guys later in the next video because this is just an unbox. I still don't have details about this one. I'm gonna test and understand more about this one so I can have a better video for you guys with more details. Okay, so at first this is a quick unbox. I hope you like it.